Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the watch and box together. This saves time. First, compare the model number stamped on the case back with the number printed on the box and warranty card. Exact matches matter. Next, open the packaging to confirm manuals, tags, and protective films are present and correctly formatted. Once done, insert a fresh battery or charge the watch and set the time to test the hands and digital functions. Watch for smooth sweeping or correct quartz ticks. You now perform the detailed checks that reveal counterfeits. Inspect the dial under good light or a loupe. Look at logo placement, font weight, alignment, and the loom brightness. Genuine Edifice loom is even and well applied. Then examine the case, crown, pushers, and bracelet. Genuine pieces have tight tolerances and solid feeling links. After that, read the serial number and compare its format with known Casio patterns or their customer service database. Discrepancies usually indicate a replica. You finish by testing every function to ensure authenticity. Run the chronograph and confirm quick, accurate resets, test Bluetooth sync or alarm settings where applicable, and verify water seal features if rated. Make a side-by-side comparison of weight, finish, and case engravings against manufacturer photos. Originals feel heavier and finer. If something still seems off, contact an authorized dealer or Casio support for authentication. This is the fastest way to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.